Today, gusto ko lang magkwento at mag-share from the heart about a topic na sobrang relatable sa maraming kababaihan, lalo na sa ating mga moms, and that's balancing motherhood and work. Alam mo, when I first became a mom, ang laki ng pagbabago. Before, my schedule was mine, my deadlines were mine, my wins were mine. Pero when you become a mother, suddenly, your time, your energy, even your dreams, you start sharing it all with someone else. Feeling naman hindi natin maiitanggi pero 'di ba, to be honest, it's super hard and talagang challenging siya. There were seasons when I felt guilty. Kapag nagtatrabaho ako, feeling ko baka kulang yung oras ko para sa anak ko. Pero kapag kasama ko naman siya, iniisip ko yung mga pending deadlines sa work. So, it felt like I was always half present sa lahat ng bagay. And if you're listening right now and you've felt that too, gusto ko lang sabihin, normal naman yun.